Morning students, I hope you are in the best of health. Please stay at home and be safe. You can use this time very productively by reading books, practicing your handwriting, and going through the videos, audios, and notes that we are sharing with you all through the Google Classroom. Students, in this session, I am going to tell you about the first lesson of social studies. It is the sun and its family. In this lesson, we will be covering the following points: the sun, the universe, stars, planets, satellites, solar system, and galaxy. So, listen to the audio very carefully so that you can understand the lesson in detail. Students, the night sky dotted with thousands of twinkling stars, the moon and the planets is a beautiful sight, isn't it? Every child wonders about what lies beyond the sky. The bright ball seen during the day in the sky is the sun. Yes, you all know about what is sun and what all things sun provides us with. The sun provides us with warmth and light. We are able to see the wonderful world around us because of the sun's bright light. We call this light as sunlight. Students, do you know that sun is a huge star? Now you must be wondering, how come sun is a star? Yes, sun is a huge star. The sun is the most important source of light energy for the earth. Yes, now let me tell you what are stars. Stars are heavenly bodies made up of hot burning gases. There are billions and billions of stars in the universe. Now you must be thinking, what is universe? I will tell you what is universe. Students, observe this picture carefully. It is the picture of the universe. Our earth, the other planets, and the moon and the sun, along with many such countless bodies, are called heavenly bodies. These heavenly bodies together form the universe. I hope you got what is universe. Universe is huge. It is bigger than you even imagine. It has lots of heavenly bodies. Now coming back to the stars, as I was saying, there are billions and billions of stars in the universe. Do you know they are enormous in size, mass, and their temperature? Some stars are even bigger than the sun. Now you must be thinking, if they are so bigger, then why it looks so small? Dear students, they appear to be very small because they are very far from the earth. So students, till now we have studied about the sun, stars and the universe. Now we will learn about planets. Yes, do you know what are planets? Planets move around the star in a fixed path called the orbit. Can you see this image? Yes. How many planets can you see? Can you see small balls revolving? Yes, these are planets. Planets are cold bodies, and unlike the stars, they do not have their light of their own. So, from where they are getting the light? They are getting the light from the stars. And in the picture you can see we have the sun over there. Yes, sun is a huge star, as I have told you earlier. Sun is the only source of energy and light for the planets. Now, coming back to the planets, how many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Can you name them? Okay, now repeat after me. The first one is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. The second planet is Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is also known as the morning star and the evening star. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Now, the third is your own planet. What is it? Yes, it is the Earth. Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet which supports life. It is also called the blue planet because of the huge amount of water on its surface. The next planet is Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is also called the red planet because of its reddish appearance. The 5th planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter takes almost 12 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. The next and the 6th planet is Saturn. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. It has beautiful rings which are made up of ice, dust and rocks. The second last planet is Uranus. Uranus is a very cold planet. It is mostly made up of icy materials. It has faint rings. And now the last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. Like Uranus, it is mostly made up of icy materials. Now, to remember the sequence of the planets according to the distance from the Sun, we have a mnemonic, and it is, "My very efficient mother just served us nachos." You can learn the sentence, and by this you can remember the sequence of the planets. So here my means Mercury, very, as it is starting from V, and Venus also starts from V. So very is Venus, efficient Earth, mother Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, us Uranus, and nachos is Neptune. Now we will learn about satellites. What are satellites? Satellites are small heavenly bodies that orbit around the planets. Like planets, they do not have any light of their own. Satellites can be natural or artificial. Do you know the natural satellite of the Earth? Yes, the natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. The Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Now, what is artificial satellite? Artificial satellites are man-made satellites that are sent to space with the help of rockets by the scientist. They are helpful in getting valuable information about the Earth and other heavenly bodies. They also help us communicate. So students, till now we have learnt about the Sun, the universe, stars, satellites and planets. So, a star along with its family of planets and satellites is called a solar system. Till now, whatever we have learned it is all about solar system. They all belongs to the solar system.